how to find out which mountain is that one. So I took a picture, let's zoom in, and I can see some snowy mountain peaks. And the question is, which mountains are those? To start from the beginning, the picture was taken from a location with GPS coordinates embedded into the picture. So the picture is being viewed by Faststone Image Viewer, okay, and if you go with the mouse here to the right side, then down here you have the GPS coordinates, those, and you can open it, let's say, with Google Maps. So first of all, you have to enable the location on your phone, or with another word, the GPS. Then you have to modify the settings of your camera application to enable location tagging, and then take the picture. And thus you will have the GPS coordinates embedded into your JPEG file. Okay, so let's go there, go to the right, click on that Google Maps icon. Google Maps is opening. There is the point where I was inside the car and I took the picture, and I was looking forward that way, so the mountain is somewhere in this direction up. So I should rotate the map to see what is there, and that would be done by Ctrl and left click. But it's not doing anything. I'm holding down the Ctrl key and dragging with the left click. So you must be signed in into a Google account, and then it will allow you to rotate the map. So click on the sign in button, sign in into a Google account, let's say that one. Now hold down the Ctrl key on the keyboard and drag with the left click of the mouse. So Ctrl and drag, like so, and now it is rotating. So I was in this point and I was looking forward, and voila, there is a mountain, a snowy peak, white top. So let's position it this way. I was in that point and I was looking a little bit to the right. The road is going a little bit to the left, those signs are also showing it, and from there I was looking a little bit to the right. There are the mountains. Press enter, and those are the mountains. Now, which are those? Well, go a little bit forward, Ctrl and drag down to look lower, scroll out a little bit higher, and those are the mountains. And it says Vârful and Vârful, that is Cibleș Peak and Bran Peak, which is here on the map. So I was looking from here to that mountain, which is in Romania and it's in Europe. There is Africa and here is Europe. So from this point I was looking to this point. This little white dot is the mountain I was seeing here in this picture. That's the snowy peak. So by having GPS coordinates inside your pictures, you can find out which mountain was that.